Hello guys and welcome to my Mazda RX8 channel. My name is Serge and in today's video I want to show you a deflood procedure on Mazda RX8 that I was trying to get it started. It took me about a week to get it started. There was many things wrong with that besides it getting flooded. But the deflooding procedure is very important because this particular deflood procedure helped me deflood my car and get it started. So because it was a successful one, I decided to actually make a video about it, share it with you guys, because hey, this might help you out. So enjoy the video. I will try to do a proper deflood procedure. It's literally like 3 o'clock in the morning right now, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna go, and I don't care my phone is dead, but I'm gonna go try to perform a deflood procedure and try to get this car started. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, so it does not want to start right now. Let me try to just begin with a deflood procedure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. By the way, the belt shredded. It's done. As soon as it started, it shredded the belt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is what I've been doing, just with every time I'm counting, I got my foot on the gas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm not letting the starter rest, but that's what I've been doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll do it about 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The juice I could get. So last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm letting go. I just start again. So now I gotta idle it till it takes over. It hasn't been starting so long. Correct me if I'm wrong. But it probably forgot its fuel trims. I definitely see some smoke around me. So I'm gonna just try to keep this thing idling. I felt so bad, guys, that I started this thing without recording, but I couldn't do anything. My phone was like really dead because I was recording for a while and I already had the full day of fun with my family. So it's surprising to me that the phone lasted this long. It is an iPhone 12 Pro Max, so they do have a longer battery life still. So I'm idling it right now. Yeah, all that smoke. Idling it above 3,000 RPMs. The fuel gauge seems to be working. It's showing that it's almost on full. I do have the temperature gauge showing that it's a little bit less than center. My oil gauge is showing me more than half. It's almost kind of like a 3/4 mark full of oil. Battery light is on because there is no belt rotating the alternator. Even if it was, that alternator is not rotating. I gotta get that alternator unstuck. Check engine light is on. Most likely that's due to the crankshaft position sensor. I guess don't need to keep the clutch still on, but I had it on. But anyways, let's try to rev it a little bit. Some of these revs, I can see my, I don't know how much fluid we got in the radiator. I gotta drop it down some, let's see. I'll tell you one thing. it's more, right now the engine is hot more than half. A little bit more than half. I'm gonna see if I could get it cooled down by dropping it down some. There's a good, it started to climb. That's me doing it, guys. Okay, the needle stopped climbing for the, you know how hard the car is, and just remaining. It's so hard for me to drop this thing down to 1,000 RPMs. We're slightly below 2,000. I really want to get this thing dropped so it takes over on the idle on its own. At 1, it does not like that. This is at 1. Slightly above 1,000 RPMs I'm idling. I could tell that the needle for showing me how hard how hot the car is, it's you know, it's going back where it's supposed to be. So we have tire pressure sensor codes, which is obvious because of the rims. I'm sure they don't have tire pressure codes. Steering wheel icon is on. ABS light is on. Traction control light is on. Brake light is on. Airbag light is on. So I got a lot of Christmas lights that I need to resolve. So the needle for how hot the car is now in the center. Sorry guys, I really feel tired. My tongue's feeling like tongue twisted, you know. It's hard for me to speak. When I drop it down to less than 1, it just seems to be going down. I'm not sure if I could release it. I'm trying to keep it at 1,000 all on my own. I'm not sure if it could keep the idle. We're slightly below 1,000. I still got my foot on the gas, and I'm just keeping it there. But I could tell it wants to drop and just die. So at this point, I'm not sure what all that is about. But I know one thing, the deflood procedure worked. You guys seen me do it just now. It is running. I mean, what more can I ask for? Now I need to keep it running. I don't want it to die, and I think it's been at least 5 minutes since I had this car started. But I'm not sure because I don't have no timer here or anything. Should I let go and see if it's gonna die? I think it will die if I let go. But guys, the accelerator feels so smooth, like when I'm accelerating. Like it feels very good. That's me doing it, by the way. I'm just kind of playing with it. As soon as I start letting it goes to less than half. It wants to shut down on me. I don't know why it does not want to idle. Is there something else disconnected possibly that I don't know about? Or is this just normal? I mean, one thing that I know right now, the belt is off that drives the alternator. I don't think it should affect anything. But hey, the car's running. We are closer than ever. I mean, hopefully it could breathe through the pipe. The engine's warmed up. I wish I could have added some fluid to the radiator. I don't have the ability to do so because I'm afraid that once I let go, it's just not gonna idle anymore. But I do want to kind of like rev it up, see if it can go to 9,000. It went more than 1,000, more than 9,000. Sounds good. It's getting some smoke. I think periodically I'm gonna do that. Yeah, it stinks. Smell of oil. I'm doing that to see if I could blow out the catalytic converter some. And it is warmed up, so there shouldn't be any issues with that. Yeah, one last 9,000, 9,500. I could see why you guys like manuals a lot better. I mean, I do too. They just rev so high, like 9,000, 10,000 RPMs. The automatics can do 7,500, that's about it. Still fun though. Still a really fun daily driver. Still sounds good for the automatics. But I think if you want to have some fun and have all the potential, definitely is nice to have a manual. I mean, it's so nice that it started, guys. I mean, this is going to be a good video. I would like to know many of your opinions now, guys, since it did start, on what to do. But I mean, in the meantime, while things are running, I want to see if I could connect and clear some code. Or at least see if we got any new ones, you know, see if our ignition coils are working, you know, things like that. I'll just keep on idling. I mean, I think if I let go things, it's just gonna die. It might actually die when I try to erase the code. Alright, so it's just showing one code right now, PO336, crankshaft position sensor, A circuit range performance. So that is all that I'm seeing. I'm gonna go ahead and delete it. Okay, that code is gone now. The check engine light is gone. So I'm gonna escape. And let's see, I'm gonna go into resetting some stuff. And I got steering wheel angle reset, oil lamp reset, brake reset. Let's see if I can reset steering wheel angle. And I know how to do it, guys, by twisting the steering wheel to the right and stuff. But I'm just gonna try to see if I could have the ability to do this. And if anything's gonna actually work. So here we go, Mazda. I mean, might as well, guys. I mean, I don't want to bore you to death, you know, with just the engine running and me having to do this. But most likely when you get your car running, maybe this could be some helpful tips for you guys, you know, what's going on. So it says switch on ignition. I mean, it's on. Automatic scan, manual select. So I'm just going to do automatic scan. It is scanning, 100% complete. Let me see what it's going to give me. I've never reset the steering wheel angle on the Mazda. Because the steering wheel icon is on. And that is on for many people. just loaded to 100, that's it. I'm hearing some noise. I think my fans are on. Because my temperature gauge is slightly above center. I'm gonna see if I can decrease the RPMs. Looks like it's just stuck on the 100%. Okay, let's see if I could just let go of the gas. I'm just gonna be ready here. Crank it over once again. Guys, it's holding an idle. It is holding an idle. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. So I'm gonna bring the camera in a little closer, give you guys a good little peek at what's going on. Man, it's holding an idle. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, guys. Woo! Success. Success. Man, I'm so excited. So guys, as you've seen, the car started successfully. While this is maybe a little bit different than other D-flat procedures, but hey, I'm gonna throw out my information out there. The car did start. It is a success. It's been sitting for 2 years, and my D-flat procedure has worked just fine. It is basically the same as others out there, except I did not let starter rest. So that is up to you if you want to get the starter rest. The reason I did not want to let the starter rest is because I was afraid that I'm gonna lose opportunity to get it started. I mean, that's just me. But anyways, guys, hope you liked it. If you liked it, please hit a like and subscribe to this channel, because I have many videos on Mazda RX-8 topic. And if you're a Mazda RX-8 owner or enthusiast, this might be the right channel for you, because there's a lot of things that I do on this channel that's Mazda related, and well, specifically Mazda RX-8 related, and rotaries. So anything from getting these things started, serviced, to tuning is going to be on my channel, and it is on my channel. So the videos are growing, subscribers are growing, and by the way, if you have any questions, feel free to ask any questions in the description below. I try to get to every single question and answer every single question. Plus, I believe this Mazda RX-8 community is strong, and it is building every single day. There might be somebody in the comment section that could actually answer your question before I even get a chance to answer it, or maybe that's going to be like another answer on top of what I answered, just to help you guys out. So this is what it's all about: helping each other, sharing information, guys, and keeping our cars running and properly serviced and tuned. Anyways, guys, take care. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.